it's Crafty Ria, and I am so glad you are joining me today. I have some happy mail to share with you today, and I always love happy mail days. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button down there. I would greatly appreciate it if you did. And then also hit the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. So let's go ahead and get started with this happy mail. The first thing I had opened because it was delivered to my home, but this is from my dear friend Anne, and I just wanted to share it with you. And look at this beautiful washi tape on here. And she sent me this really, really cool Happy Holidays card, and that will go on my Christmas card wall. And she says, "The kids and I hope you enjoy this bit of Christmas joy. Love, Anne and fam." Anne and I go back a few years. We used to sell Jamberry nails together, and she is one of the sweetest people you'd ever want to meet in your entire life. And she has joined me over at Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship, and she's enjoying the swaps over there as well. And she sent me some delicious looking tea. I cannot wait to try this. I think I'll have it this evening because it's caffeine free. And then this gorgeous gift box. And there's some pretty tissue paper inside. Of course, I love pretty wrappings and tissue paper. And these are magnets. Look at these Mickey and Minnie Mouse magnets. They're on like glass stones. I'm guessing they made them. I'm not for sure, but I know they are a very crafty family, and I bet they made these. Let me know, Anne, if you're watching, if you made them. And then we have Goofy and Pluto. I love them. They are so cool, and they will go on my refrigerator. My husband and I collect magnets. We get magnets every time we go on vacation. Any place we go, we get a magnet. The first time we go there, we get a magnet. And the second time we go there, we get a Christmas ornament. That's kind of our rules. But our fridge is really full of magnets. I mean, top to bottom, side to side, full. But these will fit for sure. I keep saying we need a bigger fridge if we do any more traveling because it's getting really, really full. And then I have a couple cards. This first one is from Michelle. She's one of the ladies in the Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship group, and I will link that group below. And it says, "Ree, I thought you might enjoy this card layout for those times you can't decide which side of the paper to use, because both are awesome." Yes, you definitely know me, Michelle, because for sure that is one of my problems. And I recognize this as, I believe it's Echo Park paper. And oh yes, look at that. That is perfect. Okay, we're going to be making these on my channel. I'm going to steal this idea. And this is from Lisa K and Michelle. They are so nice. And everything they send is always very beautiful. This is awesome. Okay. Watch for it, guys, because we're going to make cards like this, because I have this paper pack and I have way too much Echo Park double-sided paper. And maybe there just might accidentally be another huge box coming my way. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, thank you for the idea. I'll definitely use that, and that will go on my Christmas card wall. And this one is from Missy, and she's also in the group. And the card says, "Holidays." I love that. That's really cute. And she sent me, these are beautiful pieces of ribbon. I believe this is for one of my wishes, because I wished for pretty ribbons. And that is adorable. Thank you so much. I will go post on the board. That is awesome, and I will hang up that Christmas card as well. And then I have this big package from Lisa. She is also from Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail and Friendship. And this has been sitting at my post office for a little while. I was a little late getting over there to get it. It is the Advent calendar. I made her one, and that's the one I showed. And then she made me one. And this is it. And let's go ahead and see if I can get it out of the package. All right, so I did get it out of the package, and I will open up the inner package. Wow, okay, this is awesome. This is from Lisa. It's the Christmas Advent Calendar, and she sent a lot of really big goodies in here. Let's see, and that's the pocket letter part. And one of the rules were that if you can do a few goodies that are larger than the little pockets, and that's what some of these big ones are. And I will set the big ones aside, and let's look at the pocket letter. And that's the third page. This is the second page. This is beautiful. I love it. All right, so here is the pocket letter, and we'll look at it closely. She used like a metallic paper, and some of them have glitter on them, like looks like a Wink of Stella or stickles. And I like that no peeking. And these are all stuffed with goodies. Very, very cool. And these are little bows. I think these bows are from the Dollar Tree. And those sequins down there, that is beautiful. And that sequin trim is absolutely beautiful. It's in the green and the red. I need to know where you got that, Lisa. I love that. And then these are the days opening up. And these little puffy stickers with the dogs are adorable. And then there are 2 extra days. And this one is probably the letter part. I didn't send a letter with mine. I don't know if I was supposed to. I may not have done the pocket letter right. But I will read it off camera. It's a big, long letter, and it's on gorgeous paper. But I will read that off camera. And then the last day has a tag, and I will open that up maybe the day after Christmas. Meanwhile, I will put the letter in here, and I will, like I said, I will open it up off of camera. I don't think I can get it back in there. And it is past the first, so I'm going to open at least the first one here on camera with you so you can get an idea of what's inside. And that's what it's meant to be, a pocket letter where you can put goodies inside. It doesn't always have to be numbered, but this one was numbered because it is an Advent calendar. And there is, what was in the sleeve, and I will put that back in the sleeve and keep it. That Christmas tree is really, really pretty. And there are some tags. I just wrapped a whole bunch of Christmas gifts this morning, and these would have been perfect. These are so pretty. They are very, they have some foil on them. Very, very cool. And then there are the ties for it. And that's really what the meaning of a pocket letter is. It's just little goodies like that, just in each pocket that the recipient can use. And I should have waited before I wrapped all those gifts because those tags are perfect, but now I have them for my next round of gifts. That was day 1. I will do day 1, 2, and 3 because today, the day I'm filming this, is really the 6th. So I'm a little bit behind, but I don't want to open a whole bunch on one day, so I'll open a couple on the next couple of days. And then this is day number 2. And there are more tags. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love that. The red foil. And I can even use these on cards. They would definitely come in handy. So that is day 2. Very, very cool. I'm going to have to put that silver stuff back in day 1. And then I will open day 3 with you guys. And she mailed it on time. It's my fault because I didn't get to the post office in a timely manner to pick it up. We have a whole lot of cases of the COVID around here, so we don't go out in public unless we have to. This one says no peeking, and it's day number 3. And there is a little gift in there, so let's go ahead and open it and see what it is. And this is some beautiful red trim. It's red foil or red metallic trim. I love it. And that's what that looks like. I love that, and I will definitely use that on some recycled Christmas cards because that is gorgeous. All right, thank you so much, Lisa. This is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to open the rest of the days. I will be good, and I will open probably 2 a day until I get caught up, and then just 1 a day from there on out. I will probably be using it as I go along, but I want to leave everything in the pocket letter as much as possible. This is so pretty, and I'll just show you all 3 sheets again. This is a great idea for a gift for someone to just do all the different days of Christmas or anything. You can even do one that's 14 and count down to Christmas, to Valentine's Day, or one that is the 12 days of Christmas. That would be nice too. So there's lots of different ideas, and you can always just send one to a friend without numbers on them and just have goodies in each pocket. And then I have all of the larger gifts that I will open on the appropriate days. That's going to be very exciting. Thank you so much, Lisa. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I wanted to let all of you know that I want to do a Christmas card exchange. Any of my viewers, if you would like to send me a Christmas card, handmade, store-bought, doesn't matter, I will send you one in return, and it will probably be one of my recycled Christmas cards that I make here on my channel. It's just a fun way to connect with each other and to spread a little bit of Christmas cheer. I'm always happy to do that. My post office box is linked below in the description. And of course, anybody here who sends me Happy Mail and a card, I will be sending you a card back as well. It's just one extra way to spread a little bit of Christmas cheer to each other, especially in 2020. I think we all need a little bit of Christmas cheer and happiness. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you very much. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do click on that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I'd love to have you head on over there. The link will be below as well. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.